wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best elastic no-tie shoelaces. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, a set of extra stretchy homar silicone can be threaded through your footwear's eyelets in a number of ways. Crossed patterns, parallel straight lines, or a mix of both. Waterproof and durable, these will help save you time by turning any pair of kicks into easy slip-ons. They're available in a variety of colors, however they don't fit through small holes and they are too short for some users. At number 9, ideal for running or walking at night. Stout Gears Reflective are a sturdy pair of cords embedded with light refracting material so that you'll be seen by passing vehicles. Unfortunately, the spring button that locks the tension in place is problematic for weak hands. These are designed to reduce pressure on the feet and are excellent for hiking boots, but they won't fit on high tops. Coming in at number 8 on our list. For special occasions, inmaker dress are made of wax silicone and have the appearance of real laces, so they won't detract from the polished aesthetic of your best wingtip Oxfords. With a T-shaped stopper at either end, you won't have to stoop to redo any loose strings. They come in black or brown, however they're not tight enough for some users and they break rather easily. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for elastic no-tie shoelaces, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, kiss dangling strings and bows goodbye with a pair of ecocity lock system threaded through your sneakers or hiking boots. The very simple design is easy for either young children or frail seniors to figure out, and the length can be cut to accommodate any foot size. They're made of a nice stretchy material and include bell-shaped pieces for ends, but the tips become frayed after a while. Moving up our list to number 6. There's no need to sacrifice comfort when it's time to get gussied up for a wedding or big business meeting, because Silkies dress are designed to look good on a fine pair of footwear. Available in either black or brown, each cord can stretch up to 1.2 inches wide. They can be cleaned with soap and water and are made of earth-friendly silicone. However, the pieces snap rather easily. Halfway up our list at number 5. Rated highly for funky style only, you can't get much more classically goofy than the BCB Wear Curly Twister, which certainly lives up to their name. Each lace is 5 inches coiled or 40 stretched out, and though they won't keep your kicks on very tightly, they are fun. These are available in many colors, but they only fit through up to 3 eyelets, and the material falls apart easily. At number 4, ideal for children still learning the basic motor skills required to put on and take off their own footwear. Cool oumers are made from waterproof and stain-resistant silicone, and they're available in a rainbow of bright and playful colors, as well as black and white. These are made from a non-toxic material and work well for adults too. However, they are difficult to remove once installed. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, a vast improvement on the previous version. Hickies 2.0 are far easier to use and offer an augmented amount of durability and flexibility. These stretchy rubber strands slide right into the eyelets, and once pulled to the desired tightness, the ends simply snap together. Each is 4.5 inches long, and it's a latex-free product that uses a unique fastening system. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for elastic no-tie shoelaces, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, designed to keep up with athletic kicks, lock laces are a reliable option whether you're running a marathon or just chasing after the dog. The 2 long elastic cords can be threaded and cinched with one plastic anchor, so they're easily adjustable at a moment's notice. These minimize pressure points and are rugged and water resistant. They're one size fits all. And coming in at number 1 on our list. Unlike other similar products, the versatile polyester cords of the xpand system are 2 long strands that get threaded through each boot and then held in place by plastic locking anchors. Plus, they're flat instead of rounded, allowing them to blend in with your kicks. They can be installed in different ways and can withstand hot and cold weather. They're available in reflective styles too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for elastic no-tie shoelaces, or simply click beneath this video.